Welcome. In front of me is a TOSCIDO X109, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you want to open up settings. From here, scroll down to System, select Advanced, and then tap on Reset Options, where you will find Erase All Data Factory Reset. When you click on it, it will give you a message letting you know what this process removes, but to kind of abbreviate this, it removes everything. So if you have any kind of personal data that you would like to keep, do make a backup copy of it before you begin, otherwise you will just kind of lose it. Now, assuming you have already made the copy of whatever it is that you want to keep, or you just simply don't want to keep anything, you can proceed by selecting Erase All Data and do that once again, and this will now begin the process. Now this process will probably take roughly like 3 minutes to maybe 5 minutes to finish up, and once it has, we should be greeted with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. So as you can see, the process is now finished, and actually there was no setup of any sort, so it just automatically boots into Android with the device, as you can see, kind of set up. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.